In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can withdraw money from Sweatcoin. Now you want to open the app inside your phone. You could be using like Android or iPhone, the same process for both devices. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on stores, as you can see. Now if you want you want to click on shop in the top right. Now you want to search here for PayPal. Now if you don't have a PayPal account, don't worry, but if you have PayPal account but you don't see her PayPal account, you just need to keep in mind that PayPal only shows you can only see PayPal here if you are inviting a lot of friends, and that's exactly what Sweatcoin says. Okay, they say that if you invite a lot of friends, you can see her PayPal, so that you can withdraw money to PayPal. But if you don't want to invite a lot of friends, you can just buy products that cost the same the same amount of money that you have on your balance on your Sweatcoin. You can just find any product here where it says here shop. You can find a product and it will be delivered to your house. Okay, here where it says donate, you can donate this money to charities, as you can see, Sweatcoin for good. If you have this money and it's just going to be sitting here, you can donate it to charities. As you can see, there are a lot of charities that are partnered with Sweatcoin, and you can just withdraw this money to charity if you want. So hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you in the next video.